Okay, we're on. So can you start by giving me your names and where you're from?
Yeah,
Go ahead.
my name is Braukmüller from Germany, Frankfurt area, and I'm an independent SAP basis technology consultant and like a system administrator working for several projects.
Great. And how long have you worked with SAP products?
I think it's 17 years now.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow. You don't look that old. Okay.
No.
You started when you were 5. And you?
Hello, my name is Otto. I'm one of the SAP mentors. I currently live in Switzerland, and my job is ABAP in Java, security-related development, and giving courses, doing code reviews, building roles, all these boring security things.
But necessary. And how long have you been working with SAP?
5 years only.
Excellent. Okay. And can you each tell me why you're at InnoJam and if this is your first InnoJam?
No, we have both been to the former InnoJam in Berlin last year, and we had no idea before what it is, and now we know. It's a good event to meet people from pretty different points of view, struggling with business cases that are kind of spontaneously and weird sometimes. But this time it's pretty good because it's more from the people that are there involved. Good ideas, not only some theoretical scenarios, but some pretty practical ones to work on. And it's great to meet people, to see how they work, how they start to work on a project in a little time. I don't have the feeling that the results are so high leveled, but the way is the goal.
Excellent. And Otto, do you, with the practical kind of experience that you get at InnoJam, what have you found that you've been able to take back to the office with you, if anything?
Well, first of all the people and the contacts, which is not more important, but it was easier to fight this war with people and then keep in touch with them, and that was much more valuable than building something. I mean, the time frame is really short. So last year in Berlin, we learned that even with a team of like 10 people, we didn't build anything really spectacular, but it's like with soldiers, when you find that problem with the other guys, even if they were strangers 2 hours ago, the feeling's then different. So most of these guys I only saw once last year at TechEd, but this year it felt like meeting old friends because all the emails and seeing their tweets and pictures and community.
So lots of hugging going on when you got back together?
Yeah, now the hugging part.
That's right.
But it really feels that way.
Good.
It's like hugging old friends, even if we only saw each other once. So it's much more worthy for me than building something amazing. We know that SAP is producing really cool things, but to provide good results and high quality products ourselves, we have to spend time, learn how to use it. So this is more like a crash test, not time for real building.
Right. There's nothing like being in the trenches together, right, to build a sense of community. So tell me about the project you're working on at this InnoJam.
We have a pretty technical business scenario, so the technology is the business here. We are together with Martin English and Chris Canagan, and the idea is to have a workflow and a better overview about virtual instances that are running on, for example, Amazon Cloud, controlled by the Amazon Cloud Controller or the Titanium product from SAP, and to make it more visible for the consumer, like the client that is requesting a system, to keep it as green as possible. So no, don't just get one system and let it run for over weeks, but to decide when to stop it for a while, for a weekend, for a night, to have a better costs, better substantiability, to get greener.
Well, this sounds very boring, but you can see yourself Monday morning sitting in a car on the way to work, and you shut down your SAP system for the weekend, so it does not consume the energy and all the resources that are not needed. So it's still 20 minutes to get to work, so you use your phone and you send Amazon and command to start the system for you, and on the way home in the same traffic jam you just send an SMS to turn the instance off. So that should help educational centers or demo systems to get shut when they are not needed. So it could be really useful, and if you have a lot of systems, then that can cut costs in half. Why would you pay for a night if you're not using that for anything else?
Absolutely. So what will you show when you're up on the stage today?
We feel that we don't have a real demo because we're struggling with some interface things. We don't have a real developer on the team. No one's experienced with web services. So we're going to show the business case in more detail, the ideas that are possible to implement, and I think it's a good idea not only to realize in 36 hours, but to keep in mind, maybe put it into the product that already exists, the Titanium or the adaptive computing controller, to bring up some ideas. And I think we will have some maybe slides and maybe a demo, but we're not sure about.
Everyone loves a PowerPoint, so that's good.
Maybe it's something.
We are going to take a lot of pictures and then change them very quickly so we can pretend we have something really moving.
The old-fashioned way. Nice. Excellent. Thanks so much.
Okay.